fluffy. Fluffy. It's fluffy. Get it. Get two.
Wrong price, love.
I just want to sit down.
It has to be the exact thing.
It is $14.99 right there though.
But you just look at the price.
Hi guys, welcome back to Just Two of Us, new person Randy
And Mama Wana.
and today we're doing
Guess the Price Challenge
Fidget Toy and Spirit Rider Free
edition.
So we're going to be going in Target, and I'll see you guys when we get in Target.
Okay guys, we made it to Serenity's favorite store. Already spotted something before you did.
Right
here. Yes, let's go.
Everybody hiding though.
Let's-
I don't know what price it is.
We don't need to know the price. We'll decide that at the end.
I know puppies be hiding around here somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, these puppies.
Did you find something? Nope, that's Uno cards.
Yeah, puppies.
I'm not sure. It's putty, fidgets.
Yes, ma'am.
They got plenty of putty. They got plenty of slime.
So yeah, this is the fidget.
You know what? Maybe we should guess the price.
This $7.
$7? Let's see.
$7.99.
$7.99. You look.
Okay.
You look. Okay, no. It's very, very hard to find poppets. For some reason, people come here and they buy them out like super fast. And then the ones that they don't buy out, they hide them. So we're in a doll aisle. I doubt if poppets are here. This is always a hunt. You guys are buying all the fidgets up.
We need Spirit Rider Free stuff.
Simple dimples and things like that. Also, guys, if she finds Spirit Riding Free, because I promised her she could get those toys as well. If she could guess the price of that, she can get those as well. What is that?
Putty.
3D goosh. We are really on the hunt.
Do you think we should go to another Target?
Another Target? Maybe you need to ask. What is this? Is this?
No.
She found some Rubik's Cubes. Rubik's Cubes are always easy to find. So without looking over there at the price, how much do you think it is?
$7.99.
$7.89. Wrong price, love.
I just want to sit down.
It has to be the exact thing, or else it's not correct.
I got this one.
I just told you all the prices.
$14.99.
That's still wrong. It's $9.89. Come on, let's go
What?
find the fidgets. I know, right?
It is $14.99 right there though.
But you just look at the price. You guys, I literally just asked a Target associate where I could find some fidgets at, and they told me that we should go to F47. So let's see. This is F41. It's in a F47. 44. What is F47? This is so hard, guys.
They actually got a YouTube favorite.
Huh?
YouTube favorite.
YouTube favorite section. Okay, what about these little things? Oh, you found something.
I found the squishy.
Finally. What kind of squishy?
It's like a monster.
Okay. You found that. Anything else? You can put that in the cart. And then we'll go to one of those little scanners and scan it and find out what the price is. Because everything is thrown around. So it's kind of hard to figure out what the price is.
You can ask somebody today at F47.
Yeah, where's F47? Guys, we really have to search in this store for fidgets. It's almost impossible. A whole lot of slime with glitter and stuff like that. Okay. Found some Spirit Riding Free stuff. Don't look at the price. Grab and go. Come on.
Oh, I see another one.
Did you look at that price?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you think we should keep looking for fidgets?
Yes. Because last time we went to Target, we actually found some poppets.
We did. We found poppets. It was along the back wall, right? So maybe we should try the back wall here. I see a whole lot of like Play-Doh. What is this? Slime, sand. Does that count as fidgets? What is that?
It is a fidget.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What kind of fidget would this be?
This is a slime fidget. I checked on TikTok.
Okay.
And
I'm
on
trusting
YouTube.
your word.
Oh, Puppy! Puppy! Get him! Get two!
Okay, which one?
It's too many?
Which one do you want? This one? Don't look at the price.
Get
That's
two.
all they got.
One more.
That's the same thing though.
This is the same one we found last time.
Yeah.
That we got good.
But I think that's it.
Oh, we got good pops. We got better pops.
All right, come on. We were actually able to find some poppets.
I had
Hopefully
thought
you
them,
did
and I
not
was
look
like,
at the price.
I was like, oh my God.
I think this was one right here. And it was a scanner.
Some of the scammers be broke down.
Yeah.
They was broke down for like a year.
So we actually got quite a few things. And now she needs to guess the price.
And I got Spirit Rider free things.
And know that if you do not get it right, we cannot get it. Deal?
Fist pump.
Okay.
And shake. Shake.
Now you need to guess the price. How much do you think this Spirit Riding free toy is? Let's see.
This got a lot of it. A lot of stuff, so I think this like
Lucky and Spirit Clean, Karen Clean. How much?
$30.
$4.99.
No, I didn't say that was my final answer.
It's 24 and you said 30. So sorry. I'm sorry.
I think this is 12.
$12.99. Scan it. $9.99. I'm sorry.
Okay, I get it like this. I
Yep.
think this is $9.99.
9. Okay. Scan it. $7.99. I'm sorry.
I think this is $14.99.
Okay, scan it. I hope it's 14 for you.
Yes!
You actually got it. Okay.
I think this is $7.99.
Yeah.
I didn't see this. I just picked this up.
Okay, so how much?
$7.99.
And what is this? The Squishable Slime
S'mores.
Fidget Toy. Okay. $4.99.
I don't know how much this one is.
Guess how much?
I say $5.
5. Okay, let's see. 5 even or $5.99?
For $4.99. One of those.
All right, scan it.
5, 4, 6.99. $4.99.
$9.99. I'm sorry.
I got it right. I said 5, 4, 9.99.
This is a squishable. $6.99, she says.
6 or 7.99.
It won't scan.
Come on, scan, bro.
How much did you say?
$6.99 to $7.99.
How much is that?
5 or 9.99.
Okay,
No, 5
one.
or 6.99.
One price only.
$5.99.
Okay, $5.99. Let's see.
$3.99.
Okay. What is that? Slime, more slime. How much is that? Guess.
It's 3 in here, so I'm gonna say this $7.99.
$7.99. Let's see.
Come on, scan.
You gotta keep it steady. $3.99.
Please.
We'll work something out. Give it to me.
I don't know how much this is. I guess this one earlier though.
What is that's definitely a fidget.
Yeah, I guess this one earlier.
So how much?
I guess this one earlier.
How much was it?
It was $5.
Okay, scan it. Let's see.
$5.
So
I'm
you
gonna
don't
say
know.
5 or 4 because that's what it said on the logo.
5, 4.
$4. I got it right.
Okay, come on.
I guess it.
Okay, so far you got Spirit Riding free.
That one, which I was on this one, but I'm gonna get that one when I get some money. I didn't get this. I
You
got
didn't
this at
get
home.
the poppet.
I I got this one now. I got this.
I think you got this right. What else did you get right? Oh, you got this right?
You said we can work something out with this.
You got this right.
And this.
And I think you got this right. All right, so let's go. Okay, guys, we closing up this video. We so glad that you stuck around on this channel. Guys, go ahead and smash that like button. What else?
Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video.
Okay, bye.
And thanks for joining the family. Bye.